Set includes cast iron pot with enameled inside for easy cleaning, wrought iron rechaud with tray, fondue burner, 6 3-prong fondue forks with sturdy faux wood handles, fondue pot. Pot capacity 2L 2QT. Cast iron pot provides even heat distribution with no hot spots. Ideal for cooking at both high and low temps. Can be used on all heat sources. Fun to serve and enjoyable to eat, fondue is a great way to cook and entertain. Traditional style cast iron cheese fondue set includes cast iron pot, black wrought iron rechaud, 6 cheese fondue forks and fondue burner. Can be used on all heat sources, easy to clean. Pot is enameled inside and provides even heat distribution. No pre-seasoning required. Pot capacity 2L 2QT. Ideal for cooking at high-low temperatures. Convenient, versatile pot can used on a cooktop. Top reviews from the United States. Quality product and easy to use. Highly recommend. We have a stainless fondue for meats and love it. This Swissmar fondue for cheese is excellent quality. I use the pot on my stove to melt and prepare the cheese, and it easily transfers to the fondue pot holder for serving. The metal base of which it sits is sturdy, no chance of it tipping over. I placed the pot and holder on a trivet to safeguard my table just in case the burner got hot, but it did not. The porcelain-covered cast iron is heavy, which keeps the pots heated and cheese melted. The pot is very easy to clean. I used the recipe in the box and it is plenty for 4 people. Other recipes are on the internet if you want something different, but the Swissmar recipe is very good. Hint: if you want to use the fondue pot right away upon receipt, make sure you buy the recommended fuel cans at the same time. None come with a pot. You will not be disappointed.